Hello my dear students of class first year. I hope you are active and you are playing a role in learning. So in this lesson we have remained two exercise and that we have to do in today's lecture as well. So what are the exercise? So here the exercise 15 and exercise 16 we have to done today. So put the verbs in brackets in the correct tense, past or past perfect, simple or progressive. Where there is a need of these tense we have to use. Okay. So in number 1, the train was in the station because there is a to be verb, was in the station at least 5 minutes before I recognized. Whenever you use a simple past, you have to carry on this tense or past in other part of sentence. So I recognized, so ed form. My friend in the crowd. Number 2, after she washed the cloth, she hung them up to the dryer. So because hang, the second form of the hang is hung them. So this will be also past. So in this, I had never seen such mountains until I went to India. So because in the past perfect tense, I had never seen such high mountains until I went to India. So I think you will solve the rest of the sentences, and this is homework for you my dear students. So exercise number 15 is homework for you. So now come to the 16th exercise. Complete the following sentences. So I had never been there until. So in this with the time conjunction we have to add our own verbs. As I had never been there until we went at Easter. As she had learned Spanish before she visited the country. The country, it means Spain. So after they had finished the meal, the servant picked up the dishes. Okay, so now according to your sense, you have to put your verb and to make use them in your sentences. Okay, we had only driven 32 kilometers when you phoned it. It means when you asked it, we had only driven 32 kilometers. So according to it, you have to use it. So it is also my dear students homework for you. So in this, so I think these are the completed exercise, and we will be prepared or we will start in the next lecture the my bank account, and you have also go through the lesson my bank account and have to prepare for it. So in the next lecture, inshallah, we will commence from this lesson. Thank you my dear students.